The B-1B Lancer, known as the Bone, is a long-range multi-role heavy bomber that's been a backbone of the U.S. Air Force for decades. Designed during the Cold War, it was built to penetrate advanced Soviet air defenses at low altitudes and high speeds, thanks to its variable sweep wings. This unique design lets the B-1B fly efficiently at both low and high speeds, setting it apart from other bombers. After a rocky start and the cancellation of the original B-1A program, the B-1B emerged in the 1980s, optimized for low-level penetration and a reduced radar signature. Entering service in 1986, the B-1B has been continually upgraded to remain a formidable force in the 21st century. Its mission has evolved from nuclear deterrence to exclusively conventional warfare, following the START Treaty in the 1990s. Today, the B-1B is the backbone of America's long-range conventional bomber force, capable of delivering massive payloads anywhere in the world. Its ability to project power globally makes it a critical tool for U.S. military strategy. The B-1B proved its worth in combat during Operation Desert Fox, Kosovo, Afghanistan, and Iraq. Its long loiter time and massive payload made it invaluable for close air support and striking multiple targets in a single sortie. The Bone's adaptability and firepower have cemented its reputation as a modern warfare workhorse. Its legacy is one of resilience, innovation, and unmatched operational flexibility. The B-1B remains a symbol of American air power, ready to meet the challenges of today and tomorrow. On September 3, 2025, two B-1Bs from Ellsworth Air Force Base launched a new era with Bomber Task Force 25-1, heading for the Indo-Pacific. These missions are central to the U.S. national defense strategy, showcasing the Air Force's ability to operate globally at a moment's notice. Unlike traditional deployments, Bomber Task Force missions are dynamic, sometimes just a single sortie from the U.S. to anywhere in the world. This unpredictability keeps adversaries guessing and demonstrates American agility. For BTF 25-1, the B-1Bs operate from multiple locations across the Indo-Pacific, projecting overwhelming combat power on short notice. The primary goal: reassure allies and partners of America's commitment to regional security. These missions also sharpen aircrew skills, integrating with allied forces and flying in unfamiliar airspace. Training in this environment ensures readiness for any mission in a contested region. The Indo-Pacific's strategic importance, busy shipping lanes, and rising competition makes this deployment especially significant. The B-1B's presence is a visible sign of U.S. resolve and a free, open Indo-Pacific. Crews gain vital experience, refining tactics and command procedures for future contingencies. Bomber Task Force 25-1 is a proactive measure, maintaining peace through strength and preparedness. It's a clear message: the U.S. can project power anywhere, anytime. Deploying the B-1B Lancer in the Indo-Pacific is a powerful signal of U.S. commitment to its allies. Nations like Japan, South Korea, and Australia see these missions as proof of strong security partnerships. When a supersonic bomber flies alongside allied fighters, it reinforces the message of collective defense. The U.S. isn't just making promises, it's actively present and engaged. These missions are carefully coordinated with partner militaries, often including joint exercises with Japanese and Korean air forces. Training together builds real interoperability, ensuring seamless cooperation in any crisis. The Indo-Pacific is a hub of global commerce and military power, making stability here vital. Deploying the B-1B supports freedom of navigation and a balance of power. The bombers act as a stabilizing force, deterring aggression and upholding international norms. Beyond major allies, these missions foster relationships with partners across Southeast Asia. Each engagement, flyovers, exercises, or training, builds trust and shared understanding. For B-1B crews, it's invaluable experience operating in diverse environments, honing their global skills. The B-1B Lancer's most critical mission is deterrence, convincing adversaries that aggression isn't worth the cost. Its power lies not just in its weapons, but in its ability to project force anywhere, anytime. Bomber Task Force missions demonstrate this reach, flying from the U.S. to forward locations across the globe. The unpredictability of B-1B deployments complicates enemy planning and strengthens U.S. deterrence. While no longer nuclear-armed, the B-1B's massive payload of precision-guided munitions is highly relevant in modern conflicts. It can deliver up to 75,000 pounds of weapons, including long-range cruise missiles, from standoff distances. This capability allows it to strike heavily defended targets while staying out of harm's way. The knowledge that the US can unleash overwhelming force at any time is a powerful deterrent. The B-1B's presence can alter strategic calculations and de-escalate tensions without firing a shot. Its silent message: the US is ready, capable, and watching. The bone is a strategic chess piece, shaping decisions and maintaining peace through credible strength. That's why it remains a vital instrument of national power. Joint training is at the heart of the B-1B's mission during bomber task force deployments. These exercises go far beyond photo ops. They build true interoperability between allied forces. B-1B crews and allied fighter pilots practice secure communications, data sharing, and coordinated tactics for real-world combat. This hands-on training is essential for coalition operations, strengthening both defensive and offensive capabilities. The benefits extend beyond the cockpit, involving command centers, maintenance, and logistics teams from multiple nations. Planning and executing joint missions builds relationships at every level, ensuring smooth cooperation in a crisis. Joint training is also a powerful political signal, demonstrating unity and shared purpose. When nations fly together, it shows they're committed to regional security and a rules-based order. In the Indo-Pacific, these exercises with partners like Japan, South Korea, and Australia showcase a united front. This solidarity, combined with the B-1B's combat power, reinforces stability across the region. The B-1B Lancer is defined by its speed and range. Capable of supersonic flight over Mach 1.2, it can rapidly reach or escape any target area. Its variable sweep wings allow efficient flight at both slow and fast speeds, a rare trait for a bomber. With a range of over 7,400 miles without refueling, the B-1B can strike nearly any point on the globe. From the US aerial refueling extends this reach even further, limited only by crew endurance. Bomber task force missions often see B-1Bs flying 24-hour round trips, refueling multiple times to demonstrate global reach. This combination of speed and range makes the B-1B exceptionally flexible, ideal for rapid response or long-duration missions. It can deliver its payload faster and from farther away than almost any other bomber. The Lancer's adaptability allows it to support both strategic strikes and tactical operations. Its presence ensures the US can respond to crises anywhere, anytime. That's why the B-1B remains a cornerstone of American power projection. The B-1B Lancer's most striking feature is its enormous payload. Up to 75,000 pounds of munitions in 3 internal bays. This allows it to carry a diverse mix of weapons, tailored for any mission. The B-1B can deliver dozens of precision-guided JDAMs, striking multiple targets with pinpoint accuracy in a single pass. It's also a formidable standoff platform, launching AGM-158 JAS-SM cruise missiles from hundreds of miles away. This standoff capability lets the B-1B strike deep inside defended territory while staying out of range of enemy air defenses. Its versatility means it can carry bunker busters, precision bombs, or even sea mines, adapting to any threat. In Afghanistan, the B-1B supported multiple ground units in a single mission thanks to its massive arsenal. This flexibility makes it invaluable for commanders facing diverse and evolving threats. The Lancer's payload efficiency and advanced weaponry make it a devastating force multiplier. One aircraft, many roles, ready for any challenge. The B-1B Lancer's true strength is its versatility. Its speed, range, and payload let it perform a wide spectrum of missions, from deep strikes to close air support. In high-end conflicts, it penetrates enemy airspace, delivering massive standoff firepower to cripple defenses and infrastructure. In counterinsurgency, it loiters for hours, providing precise support to ground troops. Its adaptability keeps it relevant decades after entering service. The B-1B is also a tool of foreign policy. Its presence reassures allies and deters adversaries. Whether in multinational exercises or freedom of navigation flights, it shapes the strategic environment without firing a shot. The bone is more than a bomber. It's a flexible global instrument of American power. The B-1B Lancer remains a supersonic powerhouse, adapting from Cold War origins to today's multi-mission role. Its recent Indo-Pacific deployment highlights its global reach, rapid response, and massive payload. No other bomber matches its blend of speed, range, and firepower. The B-1B's versatility allows it to handle strategic strikes, close air support, and coalition training, all with a single platform. Through joint exercises, it strengthens alliances and collective security. As global threats evolve, the B-1B stands as a symbol of American resolve and military might. Whether flying over the Pacific or standing ready at home, it sends a clear message of strength and commitment. The Bone's legacy endures as an indispensable force in U.S. air power.